You could say goodbye to incontinence with a breakthrough treatment, and here with details are Larry Helwig, owner of Clearskin Institute of Laser Aesthetics, and medical director Dr. Ann Watwood. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So Larry, let me start with you. Tell me about the different types of incontinence that people face.
Well, it depends on who you look up. There are anywhere from 3 to 5 different kinds, and this treats all of them, and that's the advantage. Women have so many incontinent issues, literally 1 in 3 over the age of 40, and as you get a little bit older, that statistic goes up. And so if you can just simply sit on a chair like Dr. Watwood is and get a treatment without having to do anything, well, that's pretty amazing.
Yeah, tell me what this chair is and a little bit about how it works.
Well, it's actually very unique. It uses electromagnetic energy, and it's called HIFEM, which is high intensity focused electromagnetic technology, and it's extremely unique in this area. And the company BTL has designed this to create the ability to do Kegels without you having to do anything. So for example, most OBGYNs will tell you to do 100 Kegels a day. Well, most people don't do it, and when they do it, they don't know how to do it. And so this device does over 11,000 of them in a half hour.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's, you know, it can be very intense. So we can adjust the power so that you're always getting the most. And I think it's important. It's very important for, there it is, you know, and so Dr. Watwood's getting the treatment right now while she's sitting here, and so you can come in. We're the first office in Arizona to have it, and we're hoping every office that sees patients with incontinence, which really, I mean, virtually everyone does, they just need to have that conversation with them, because every office can do this. I mean, see how easy it is? I mean, you simply turn the device on and have your patient sit down.
Really interesting. You were saying, too, that in the U.S., the retail sales of products that target adult incontinence are very high. Tell me about that.
Well, it's always interesting following the big Fortune 500 companies, right? If you watch television in the evening, what do you see? You see incontinence pads, incontinence underwear, things like that. So in 2015 to 2020, the growth is over 48%, whereas for baby diapers, it's 2.8%. And so the growth is spectacular. They're going from roughly 16 billion to 28 billion pads a year. So, I mean, statistically, women have this. A lot of women have it. They don't want to discuss it. They don't want to admit it. And they tend to normalize this. You know, oh, well, I'm getting older. I've had children. It's okay. I can have this. Well, you don't have to have it.
Well, who's a good candidate for this?
Anyone. Anyone who has incontinence, because you're helping everybody. I mean, if you jump and pee, you know, you cough, you pee, just like that showing, and that's exactly right. And sometimes it's urge, where, oh, I'm taking my kids to soccer, where's the closest bathroom going to be? Well, I mean, you can have that, but there's a very famous urogynecologist that did 4,000 surgical mesh procedures at this time last year. This year he's done 1.
And Dr. Watwood, how's it feel? Any discomfort?
There's
Downtime?
zero discomfort. So there's no downtime. There's no discomfort. I mean, you can see I'm sitting here having a treatment right now.
And a conversation.
I'm wearing my clothes. You know, it's very easy to do. It's kind of hard to explain how it feels, but there is no pain. And when I'm done, I can leave and go do any activity I want. So I can go to the gym, I can pick my kids up, I can go out to dinner with friends. So I have no lifestyle restrictions while I'm doing this, and no pain involved. Versus when you have surgical procedures like having a mesh placed, it can actually change your lifestyle for a certain amount of time. It can cause you discomfort, or it can lead to other serious health issues down the road.
Well, thank you both so much for bringing this to our attention today.
You're welcome.
And if you want to find out more, you can log on to their website, clearskininstitute.com, or call the number on your screen.